we're gonna try to split and repot Alocasia Polly. Vamos a tratar de trasplantar esta planta. Yeah, this plant is toxic to cats. Maybe dogs too, ¿ah? Esta planta es tóxica para los gatos por lo menos, quizás también para perros, no sé. Don't let your pet chew them. No dejen que tu mascota la mastique. Remember that we just this is water. Esto ya está regado. So we have at least 2 plants. One here, one here. Pero por lo menos 2. So we'll see how many more we can get. Okay. So we can get at least 2 here. Maybe that's all we should get at. I feel like this is too close together to get another one, to get another split. Está muy cerca esto para sacarle otra, a menos que hiciera una incisión justo en el medio. I'm gonna try to do an incision just in the middle. Try to do this. We'll have to throw because we have to be very precise with what we're gonna do. Here we just lost a leaf. But that's what we want. This is what we want basically. We got 2. Now we're gonna see if it works. Vamos a ver si funciona. So there we go. That's one. There's the other one. Have to be fast because it's pretty warm. Pretty hot. Es súper caliente, así que hay que ser rápido. Aquí nomás, Carlos. Aquí nomás. We got this leaf. I don't know what to do with it. So I'm gonna place it here. Who knows? Maybe it works. Quizás funcione, quizás no. Córtela ya. Voy a cortarse mejor. Now we have the mama here, and we're gonna try to do the same here. Estamos en lo mismo. Maybe right. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but yeah, I think I f***ed up. Creo que la cagué. So we just have one with wood and everything else I think I killed it. Now we just have to see if these 2 grow roots. Si que crecen raíces porque they don't have